Hi, I'm Rosemary, Adult Services Librarian at Prescott Public Library. This month for our Crafts to Go kit, we're going to be making macrame plant hangers to celebrate our seed library. So if you haven't come down to the library yet, head on over. You're able to check out 6 packets of seeds through our card catalog here. And we'll be able to answer any questions you have about the seed library or about the craft this month at the Ask a Librarian desk. So give us a visit or a call at 928-777-1526. And as always, stay connected with us, subscribe, and send us a picture of what you made.
To start, you'll need 6 strings of about 6 feet each, a wooden ring, and some tape. Pull the string through the ring, make sure they're even at the ends, and then tape down the ring. The first step is to attach the strings to the ring with a square knot. First, make a half square knot by putting the left string over all the filler strings and under the right string. Then take the right string under all the filler strings and over the left string. Pull that tight. Then, make a right half square knot by putting the right string over all the strings and under the left one, and then the left string goes under all the filler strings and over the right one. Pull that tight too. Separate the strings into 3 groups of 4. We'll call these A, B, and C. Working one group at a time, make 15 half square knots. You'll see the group of strings starting to make a twist. Remember, it's the left string over all the filler strings and under the right string. Then take the right string under all the filler strings and over the left string. This is what all those half square knots will look like when they're done. Leave about 1.5 inches and then tie 3 square knots in a row. That's a half square knot and then a right half square knot. Then repeat on each group of strings. After that, you're going to separate the group of strings again into sets of 2. Take 2 strings from group A and 2 from group B, leave about 1 inch and tie a square knot. Then repeat that with 2 strings from group B and 2 from group C in a square knot, and again for 2 strings from group A with 2 from group C in a square knot. This is going to start to make the nest that the planter pot sits in. You can use it to measure. After that one, you're going to separate the strings again into groups of 2, follow the same tying pattern, A to B, B to C, and then A to C, all with square knots. Do this again for the bottom of the planter too. This is what the terracotta pot will sit in. The next step is to close it off with a square knot using all the strings together. After that, we're going to make a big decorative twist at the bottom. So do a bunch of half square knots with whatever of the string you have left to your desired length. Then cut the extra, make it even at the bottom, separate the strands, and you'll get this frayed look. And now you have yourself a mini macrame plant hanger.